Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to our online class of computer studies. Children, since we have completed chapter 3, we'll move toward chapter 4, that is ethics and safety measures in computing. So, first of all, we should know that what is exactly is internet. What is internet? What to understand by internet? Inter means connections, and net means network. The connection of multiple computers worldwide in order to share their information, resources, okay, ideas. So that is known as internet. Global connection of network, global connection of computer. Okay, so when all the multiple computers of this world are connected together globally, that is known as internet. Today's time, internet is very important for us. See, right now we are like I'm teaching you. Even so many teachers are teaching you. And these teachings you can see only because of internet connections. Online educations. It's very helpful. Otherwise, see, in this pandemic situations, how the classes will be if there is no internet? Not possible at all. So internet makes our life, makes our work easier. By sitting at our home, okay, with the help of some electronic gadget, the education system is going on. How? Any jadoo is there? Magic? No. Internet, global connections. Because this internet is globally connected. All the gadget, maybe a laptop, maybe computer, mobile phone, okay, tablets, all are connected worldwide globally with the help of internet. So like a huge advantage is there. But in the same time, there is disadvantage also. Like many of you, maybe you are fooling to your parents. You says that I'm doing online educations and instead you are playing the games called this PUBG, online games. Your parents may be thinking that you are studying, you are doing online education, but instead what you are doing? Playing games. You are making fool. Disadvantage. Now it depends on the individuals whether you are taking this internet as an advantage part or whether you are taking the internet for disadvantage part. Internet provides us both the way, good way as well as the bad way. It is up to you what you want to take, isn't it? If you want to take a good things, use internet for proper way. If you want to take a bad things, play games. Not only games, so many different things are there which you do. Okay. So now let us describe the part of internet advantage. What are the advantages we get from internet? Okay. Source of information. Internet advantage is what? Number one, source of informations. Any informations, maybe any questions answer you are not getting, or you are maybe confused, or maybe the what teacher has taught you have not understood. You want to make your concept more clear, more precise, no problem. Internet is there. Take out Google, write the questions, you'll get the answer. Or take out YouTube, write the question, you'll get in video also. See, source of information, all the informations are provided in internet. Okay. Second part, mode of communications. Today's time, internet help us to communicate. See, right now I am communicating with you. My teaching skills I am providing to you. That is mode of communications. It may be through YouTube, it may be through WhatsApp, but we are communicating. You can see me, you can you can understand what I'm teaching because of internet only. Mode of communications. We can do video calls, we can do internet calls, we can do text messaging. So many options are available. Okay, so mode of communication. Third, e-shopping. E means electronic shopping. Flipkart, Amazon, Shopclues, so many are there. Mintra. So what you do with this? You do online shoppings. Do you go to the like their that retail shop or wholesaler, that shop or mall? You go there? No. Instead, what you do? You check the like things what you want to purchase online. You place an order. Even you can make the payment also. You don't have to go to that particular place. So risk of any disease is also less, like COVID-19. You're not in attached with different peoples. If you right now you are in your house, from there only you can do all sort of things. You can do online education, you can have a communication with your relatives, friends. Okay, you can even do online shopping also. See, benefit, advantage. E-banking, electronic banking. Right now for mobile recharge, for dish TV recharge, okay, for any sort of like electricity bill payments or maybe the insurance bill payments, everything we can do online. All sort of banking related work we can do online. We don't have to go in bank and we have to stand in a long queue. No, not required. If you are familiar with internet, you can do all the work. Advantage. Fifth point, entertainment. Internet is also one of the best source for entertainment. You can watch online movies, play games, but only for time pass, entertainment, not for the whole day. Okay, entertainment. Only to refresh your mind, you can use internet for entertainment. And 6C, educations. The practical example you can see there only. Right now you people are doing online educations. That means education through internet. That is also advantage part. So this whatever point I have written, these are the advantage of internet. If you use internet in a proper way, you can go through these particular points in a proper way, you are benefited. But if you go for the negative side, if you are using internet in some wrong way, then that is up to you. So children, what you understood is internet is a global connection of computers or maybe electronic gadgets. It has multiple advantages. Few I have listed here, like source of informations, mode of communication, e-shopping, e-banking, entertainment, and educations. Now let us move towards like disadvantage. Let us see what disadvantage we get. Okay, so see here, disadvantage. Point number one. So advantages we have understood. Now let us come to disadvantage. What are the drawbacks of using internets? Number one, privacy issue. Yes, the major problem, privacy issue. Right now, see in Facebook, if you are going to cinema hall, the status is uploaded that I am in cinema hall watching such and such movies. If you are going to restaurant, status is updated. Okay, so wherever you are moving, if you are moving towards some places through train or maybe through plane, status is uploaded. Okay, so that means the privacy issue is there. Okay, so that is disadvantage. Why should we upload our informations to outside world? Why they want to know that we are in such and certain places? Privacy issue. Second part, un unauthentic informations. It is not that every time internet provide us a useful informations. There are so many fake websites, so many fake YouTube channels. Okay, so many fake WhatsApp groups. They provide us the fake informations, wrong informations. So it is recommended that don't trust blindly on the information provided by internet. Research it. Check in the proper or genuine websites. Okay, if you get any wrong information from YouTube, don't believe it. Don't lead your life in a virtual world. Compare that information to the real world. Okay, now the third part. Pornography. So there are so many websites which doesn't provide the good informations. Okay, the scenarios, the videos are not for the kids, so that website should be boycott. You should not follow that particular websites. Okay, that is also a disadvantage of using internet. Cyber fraud. Sometimes you may get emails and all that you have won 20 lakhs or maybe 10 lakhs. Okay, provide your informations. That is a fraud, that is a fake. Don't believe that, and don't provide your information towards that particular email address or the person who is contacting you. These are all fake. Okay, they are doing a cyber fraud, internet crimes. Time wastage, it is one sort of addictions. If you are using internet too much, if you are playing a games too much, what happens? That will waste your time. At night you won't sleep, instead you will play games. While studying time, you want to study, you will play games. So that is time wastage, you are wasting your time. So if you are using internet too much, you are wasting your times. So these are the drawback, disadvantage: privacy issue, unauthenticated information, pornography, cyber fraud, and time wastage. See, it has advantage also, it has disadvantage also. Now it is up to you whether you want to take this in advantage part or you want to take this in disadvantage part. Clear, children?